happen to you too someday.
You smug mother.
It's cool, whopping Gizlock, and this combo gon' be hard to stop. Zone 6 to South Memphis, tune that pistol like a cop. Won't give me my flowers, I rewarded myself and bought a watch. Took the fork and scraped the pot, it's off the eye, I shut the pot. I can't put no money in no niggas who ain't worth it, dawg. Confiscated my necklace, cause this.
Assume that would resolve the issue.
You know what? Eventually we all have to accept reality.
I didn't even imagine I'd be ballin' how I'm ballin'.
I've awoken you at home. I need to know where you put it. I saw the footage of you taking it. Did you smuggle it out? Is it here?
Holy shit, is this my house?
Dylan, listen. You have no idea how sensitive this information is. If someone paid you to smuggle out that card...
No, I what the fuck?
We told you to count to 1,000 and wait outside.
Is that my kid?
End it.
Niggas tried to count me out, they miscounted the wrong amount. Killers took, don't bring them up, it's random if I bring them out. Oh, you gotta crash, damn it, think before you send them out. Gotta crash, damn it, think before you send them out.
I can cool out, we so icy.